Hi everyone, welcome to my video. I hope you all are doing fine as most of the people are facing the problem of the 20 testers. So we brought you a very good thing that we have been providing the 20 tester service for you and with the lowest price, and if you want you can pay in the EMIs option also like in the 3 installation. So it is very easy and very convenient as so many people are facing the after 20 tester problem. Most of people have been taking the money but they are not providing the 20 tester service. As we have a success rate of 100%, most of the apps they won't even give you the what is the problem, how to publish and all those things, and we are giving a completely providing you how to publish the application. We will give the guidance to you and we will help you out how to publish and how to do the closer testers. If have any technical issue, we will going to help you out in that. So if you really wants to take our service of 20 tester service for the 14 days, so you can come down to our website, that is resetinfotech.in. So this is our official website, and this is the present our new layout is there. So soon it is going to change. Within a few days we are going to change our website also with the new look. So it is very easy and very friendly to you. So this is our website, so you can see about our services, all the information regarding this. But as right now you need a 20 tester service, in the website you can see this is a header about us, pricing, contact us, and services, and 20 tester service and shops are there. So if you need a 20 tester service, just go in the 20 tester service here, and here you can find our prices also. Let me open this website. Okay, as you can see, this is a 20 tester services website. So what we have been providing in this 20 tester service of 14 days, we do the 20 peoples to the testers application for the 14 days. We provide the perfect solution for the 20 testers, and we have a individual mobiles for the 20 tester service. In upcoming videos, we will going to show our live mobiles also where we are doing the 20 tester service, and you can see the live videos of installations, how we will going to set up and everything. In upcoming videos you can see. So in this you can able to show us what type of app you have been publishing and everything. We will help you out and we will going to share you the email IDs. Please contact to us, we will share you the email IDs, you can promote to that. And after that please share me the links to us and we will going to install your apps for the 14 days. And every day we will make sure that we will open and we will test our your application, and we will tell if it is any problem, it is going to be live or not. We will give the guarantee with that. So if you don't know how to do the 20 tester services, here is the video is there. So as it is been ad blocker, so you can't able to see that. So if you want, you can see this video also and you will going to get out. If you want to see the what is the exact Google policy, just click on here, so you will going to redirect to the Google policies also. You can see here the policies of the 20 testers. So most of people are doing the problem, they will try to publish their app in internal tester. It is wrong way. You need to publish your app in the closer testers. So this is our plans and this is our rates. For the 20 tester it's costing around 2499 rupees, and for the 15 testers it's costing around 1999 rupees, and for the 10 testers it's costing you 1499 rupees for 10 mobiles and 15 mobiles and 20 mobiles. If you are feeling this price is heavy and you want to trust it or not, you can pay us into a EMI. Like you in first installment, you can pay us 1,000 rupees. Then you can pay us 1,000 rupees. In the last installation, you can pay us 500 rupees. So like that, in the three installment, you can pay to us. First, you take our mail IDs and deploy in your closer testers. When your link has been activated, then you can able to pay us the 1,000 rupees. Then you can able to pay us 1,000 rupees. After 5 days, you can pay us the 1,000 rupees, and after 5 days you can pay us the rest of the balance amount. So we will going to complete your testing, and as for the confirmation you have to submit the app and all those things. You can go ahead with the documents and we will provide you with good service. So this is our recent customers who has been taken the service from us, and we have given and they have been satisfaction. And we will try to make a group also for you, so you can able to chat with the customers and you can see all those information and all those things. I will make sure that you can able to have a group and you can see the live testing performance of your apps and everything, and we are building the analytics for others also. So whichever your app is there, how is performing, if it is any backend, if it's any catching. So we are trying to develop that kind of a backend also, whether you can see how is your website has been working, app has been working, you can able to see. So if you really like our services, please you can contact to us. If you want to contact in the website also, you can see here is our mobile number, WhatsApp, and contact details also is there. So if you really need, you please go ahead and contact to us. So we will